Hi, I'm Jason Fisch, founder of Fisch Solutions. You have an unresponsive or slow IT provider that's just only break-fix, only responding when you call them. You have a one, maybe two-person IT crew that is overworked, doesn't have the time for your projects, or you think that they would be hard to replace with no exchange of knowledge. How about being scared? You're just one click away, one email away from being shut down from a serious cybersecurity attack. Well, that's what Fisch was created for, to change the IT MSP industry and its stereotypes. I created Fisch when I was just 15 years old, building my city's first website, and I've grown into the company it is today, one of the largest IT providers in the region. We offer every IT service under one bill, one point of contact, and that's what makes us unique to everybody in the area.